Were you wondering if there was any good deals at Busch Gardens?
So were we. Let's go find out. How much is it?
$32.99.
What store are we in?
Acadia Traders, I think.
Canada Traders?
Acadia.
Acadia?
Acadia.
Huh.
I think that's the name of it. It's not Canadian Traders, I know that much. Yeah, all the shirts are $32.99. I like that one.
Yeah, that one's cute. And that was, what, $21.99?
$31.99.
$32.99.
Yeah, all the shirts are $32.99. Like
It's not bad. These are the most Busch Gardens-esque mixed into Canada in the world.
Everything else is just kind of like...
And I got regular Canada stuff. How much are the sweatshirts? Pretty thick. Actually pretty nice. $67.99.
I mean, that's kind of theme park pricing.
But then they just have so much stuff that's not Busch.
Yeah.
Like you would think, like Disney has everything Disney, but
Right.
I mean, I know that's Disney and this is Busch,
But still, you would think they would have more stuff.
how much are the hats?
The hats. Trucker hats are $32.99. Oh, it looks like they're all $32.99.
Snapback?
The visors are free.
No.
$23.99.
Oh, okay. They're missing the top
They're
half.
missing the top half. So, but yeah, they're all snapbacks. Well, they're not snapbacks. They're adjustables.
Slidey back.
So, but the trucker hats are.
Snapback.
Yeah,
One has an American flag on it.
which doesn't look like they've ever
Yeah,
been
which
touched.
that's lead.
But it's air conditioned.
Yes. Good to get out of the sun.
Just for even for a few minutes.
Yeah, right? That just helped out a lot.
Yeah, Acadia Traders.
Oh, okay.
Not whatever you were thinking.
Canada?
Yeah, not Canada Traders.
I think it would be different.
Trapper Dan's. Danes.
General store.
Dave's. Trapper Dave's.
Trapper Dave's?
Yes. You'll hear it. I've called it 3 different things before I finally got there.
I get all choked up with people.
Do you need a
Busch
normal?
Garden bags. This is Busch Gardenish.
Sort of. We don't have slots
$34.99.
here, but sort of.
Yeah, they got rid of all of our animals for the most part.
We have wolves.
Yeah, but we had a little zoo there
How
for a
much
while.
is the bag?
I don't know. I'm looking.
I'm doing a good job.
$34.99.
That is not worth it.
No, it really isn't. I like the mug though.
The sloth mug is adorable.
$16.99. That's not bad.
You don't need a sword.
It
It says Busch Gardens on it. Don't
Watch out behind
stab
you.
me. Well, don't stab me.
I'm not going to.
You don't need a zipper.
But I was looking at the straw.
Okay.
So because it goes from the drink up in here through the and then back out. I was trying to figure it all out at first. I was like, why would you want it to drink? But now I understand why. I have
it's
thug ordered
fun.
it.
Do you need a name bracelet?
I do not. Not at $19.99. I don't.
Oh, look, more Busch Gardens.
Yeah, I mean that's how I eat. Oh, here's some more.
That's what I said. It's more Busch Gardens stuff. Oh, we just saw those, didn't we?
Who tooted? That's actually kind
They
of
have
cute.
the actual steam trains here, which is pretty cool.
That's only $30.
Hockbenage?
That's cute. I think Mikey would like that.
That was only how much? 40 bucks?
30? Yeah, $29.99.
Super soft. Really soft.
That's not too bad. That was $42 for long sleeve, $42.99.
I like them. Some parts.
Yeah, the tumbler's nice. Let's see. Watch me knock all
Very
of them
modern
off.
for Busch Gardens to be.
$29.99.
That's not bad. Oh, they have the old country, which is what Busch Gardens used to be called. Busch Gardens Williamsburg.
Sweatshirt's not bad.
$34.99. They're pretty evenly priced. Is it thick? Is it soft? What is it? No, that's the front. Okay. Just a regular sweatshirt.
$49.99. It's a little pricey for.
A little pricey
I mean, it's
for
not bad
basic.
for. But that's cute too.
And that is.
The train. That one's only $32.99. Yeah, see, this is better than most of the other stuff.
Yeah. And it's all the way in the back of the park.
Yeah.
Oh, that has a back to it.
Yeah. Oh, with everything that it used to have.
On the old country. That's cool. Does the old country one have the gray one over there have a
Anything
back?
with that? No.
Nope. No. Okay, so that's just on the front.
Yeah.
Is
But
this
the front one's just got the little logo on the front,
Oh, okay.
which is not too bad.
No.
That's $40.
And then they have wolves.
Yeah, it's not as. This is more Busch Garden.
Yeah. And they
Of course,
have-
you got your candy.
You don't need candy.
But I need the world's biggest candy necklace.
You do not.
Oh, fun. Yeah, it's surprising that this oddball store's got more stuff like that.
Yeah.
Did we look over? We didn't look over here. And it's on sale.
Oh, it's the sales
My
side.
favorite.
Michael's favorite side.
I like that. That's not really on sale. Oh,
You need a bell for $12.99.
No. We didn't get this last year.
No, we were supposed to get one for free, weren't we?
Yeah, it's $10 today.
Mm-hmm.
Merry Christmas. Elmo was kind of cute.
Oh, that is cute.
Well, it's not just Elmo,
How
but
much is it on sale?
$14.99. Originally
that's not bad.
$29.99. That's not bad at all.
Oh, all the glasses are cool. How much are they?
Are these the collector ones?
Yeah,
Oh, there's not.
it's on the box probably.
So they're marked down from $15 to
$6.
$6. That's not bad.
No,
There's all you have 12. I wonder if they have all 12 anymore though.
probably not.
That would be the interesting thing.
Yeah.
These are. I would buy that here.
Oh yeah, yeah. $20.
This is not a bad.
You need a
Bad little
windbreaker?
jacket.
How much is the Jeep?
I don't know. I don't see price.
There it is.
Here it is. Marked down from $60 to $29.99.
That's not bad.
Not bad. It's a nice, decent little windbreaker.
Yeah.
We've actually got a few sizes. Well, that's a 3X. 3X. Do you got smaller sizes or are they all 3Xs?
That's probably why they're all 3Xs.
Okay, that's why. Yeah, it looks like an employee jacket.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
So, what else I got? That's what we need right there, battery operated fan.
We need the neck fans. Those are towels.
I know.
No, I didn't know if you knew that.
I look over the pricing,
Oh.
but it's, oh, here we go.
There's a bag of bones. Come
Here
on.
we go. So that's a beer one that was marked down from $24.99 to $12.50, so it's half off.
Oh yeah, that's not bad.
So,
This is just generic crap.
olive leaves, pumpkining, please. $7.50 marked down to from $14.
Okay, cool.
The weird stuff that they have. I mean, they have a Doctor Who costume.
Yeah, that's really odd. I guess English?
Oh, yes. Yeah, probably because of the British store up front.
Yeah.
So, cool.
Yay.
Up to 70% off select deals. All right, so we're right beside Invader.
Yeah.
And let's scoot la plume.
Yeah, I'm not doing that. It's too wet.
See how bad it is for over here.
10:30 to 8 p.
Yeah, so they don't.
We're gonna ride Invader.
Honestly, if you want to, we can. If we just walk around the park, I'm fine too.
Okay. Oh, do you want to ride the train?
We could ride the train.
Is it coming? Is it here?
Right there. It's right there, and it looks full.
On the outside edges. Thank you for your attention and cooperation. Enjoy your ride aboard the Busch Gardens Railway. On board.
The female conductor, or engineer.
Huh?
Female in the front.
Oh yeah, I think she was one of the first ones. There was a big deal on Facebook.
It's a big train, but hopefully a lot of people are getting off because there's a lot of people on it. Something we could do if you think about it.
Do what?
Something that we could do, just go down for the weekend in Florida.
Yeah.
Drive down
Especially
Friday
since-
night after I leave.
Since I'm a travel agent with Hedge Adventures.
Do the
Oh, this is sponsored by them.
leave Friday night, get there Friday. I mean, it would be a drive. We didn't have
Yeah.
to necessarily fly. But get the hotel for the night and maybe do the not so scary or
One of the
Halloween Horror
parties.
Nights. Yeah, or do Halloween Horror Nights.
Yeah, that'd be fun. I think we're cutting today short a little bit. It's a little bit packed and a little bit hot. Thankfully, we have a
Actually,
season
not been
pass.
that busy,
No, but it's hot.
but it is hot.
It's just kind of.
Yeah, after a while when you're covered in sweat.
What does it feel like today? Now,
Right now, I think it was like 90. That's what I was saying.
Getting another thing like what? We're getting it the same night as Claude Nancy's last night.
87 feels like
90.
90 degrees, but it's humid.
Yes, 48.
Very humid.
48% humidity.
Um,
Not a dry heat.
yeah. But yeah, we're cutting it short today. We can come back, what, maybe next weekend?
Maybe sometime next week.
Yeah, sometime next week. Be good.
So we haven't done
And update on houses, there'll be more
Next week is the last week before school start going back.
before our school.
Yeah. So that's why I was expecting it to be busier. Because Virginia Beach goes back the 28th, and we go back on the 5th, day after Labor Day.
On the 5th? Okay. Well, I mean, it was a successful day. Yeah.
This time.
What were we sponsored by?
I don't know, some person, someplace that does travel.
Yeah. Saw that over there.
That's cute.
That is kind of cute, because you're a Scot. Edinburgh.
Glasgow.
Huh?
It's $30. It's like Glasgow.
It's not Dunin. Do we need a pen?
We need a pen. A pen.
A pen. Oh, that one's cool.
Over Bolton.
No. What's the other one? Pantheon. Pantheon.
It's 25th.
For Bolton's the Lightning. That's Pantheon.
Gotcha.
For Bolton Tours.
It's a hollow screen pen trading event. They've got pens for that coming out
Cool.
September the 9th. That's
Keep
kinda
that in
cool.
your calendar if you trade Busch Gardens pens.
Oh, that's cool. Play first tours.
That is cool.
These are the member exclusives. Invaders and stuff.
So that means we can only get them?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Right behind you.
Are ya?
I am.
Don't get lost. Do we need a buddy system?
I'm good. Ugh. We can go in the candy shop, I guess.
Okay. Buy $15 worth of candy?
Sure, why not? Wouldn't be the first time.
Nope. You want Starburst?
I'm not spending $10 a pound for Starbursts.
Why not? You want a donut?
Okay, chocolate covered s'mores. Right, cookie looks good.
It does.
Fudge. Let's see, fudge is $4.99 a piece. Buy 4 pieces, get 2 free. That puts it at 20. Candy apples are $10 for the specialty candy apples.
And I have Rice Krispies over here.
Chocolate covered strawberries. So, chocolate covered strawberries are $7.99. Rice Krispies are $5.99. Chocolate covered cookies $5.99.
How much were the s'mores?
The s'mores was. I didn't see the s'mores.
Oh, I thought you did.
No. It says s'mores covered cookie. You want to split a cookie or?
We can. Or just get a s'more and a cookie because it's going to be less than $15.
Alright, that's fine. They've got donuts. I'm not really interested. Oh, they have Chico sticks.
I'll grab a Chico stick while you're here.
The marshmallow sticks.
Which one do you want? The
The
M&M one?
M&M one.
Can I get an M&M cookie?
Okay.
Yep. And then I guess a sprinkle s'more. The M&M one? The M&M one?
Yeah.
Oh.
White chocolate or dark chocolate?
Oh,
White or chocolate?
The white or dark? Which
White.
one do- White.
White's fine.
White.
You can do that and get a piece of fudge if you want. That should be
Okay.
close to it. If I'm doing that cookie.
And the s'more?
Yeah, I guess
Oh, you want s'mores?
oh, I thought that's what we were
That's
doing.
fine, that's fine.
The sprinkle s'more. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Did you want